So if you're a mobile user and you don't really use laptop, whenever you want to edit some videos for TikTok or Instagram Reels or Snapchat or maybe YouTube Shorts, I'm most likely sure that you basically use CapCut or InShot. And in this video, I'll show you how you can get the highest video quality possible on CapCut, and I'm also going to give you some of the editing and exporting tutorials. So you simply want to make sure to stick with me till the very end of this video. Now, of course, in order to not face any type of bugs, first of all, you want to make sure that you have actually updated and downloaded the CapCut app to the latest version. So open up the App Store, just check it again if it has an update available. I want you to go ahead and simply update it to the latest version. Now just open the CapCut application. Now once you open the CapCut application, of course you have to start a new project by selecting the video that you want to edit. Now when you choose a video, there is a very important thing that you have to understand, and that is the canvas or the resolution that you are currently editing it in. If you are editing it for TikTok, then you have to select it on a different canvas. Now the format is actually in a different way, the frame rate is also different, but if you're editing your canvas, which means your main screen, which looks sometimes is going to be a square, sometimes it's going to be a rectangle, so you have to be very aware of that. And in order to fix that, you just have to select the media over here, and then you have to go to the canvas section. When you go to the canvas section over here, you'll basically be able to go ahead and choose the resolution depending upon your own needs. So just go ahead and then choose which resolution fits best for your project. The next thing I'm going to suggest you is that some of the basic editing, of course, you have to just cut speed. I'm sure you know all of those. I'm not going to insult your intelligence, but if you want to go ahead and then export it in the highest quality possible, at the very top, if you look closely, currently you can see that the render resolution is set to 1080 pixels, which is of course an average of what most YouTubers use. But then if you want to go ahead and then actually even increase the quality, you can just select here. You can max it out to 2K or 4K if your phone actually supports it. Now the next thing is the frame rate, which is also a very important thing. You can also max this out to almost 50 or 60 FPS, but keep in mind that now even if you render it on 4K and you render it in 120 FPS or whatever frame rate you actually choose, if the social media application on which you are uploading the video does not support that kind of resolution, then it is going to compress the videos automatically. So it doesn't really matter. Even if you upload it on 4K, it is going to compress the videos automatically, especially on YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts does not currently support 2K or 4K videos, and even Instagram Reels, they only support up to a maximum of 1080 pixels. But however, I'm only showing you for the tutorial purpose because I'm sure you're doing this in order to get the highest quality possible. If you want, you can also make sure to turn on the Smart HDR. Now once you're done selecting your project resolutions and so on, you can just export this video by tapping on the export icon, and now you can see your video will most likely be exported. And this is how you can get the highest quality possible, such as editing and exporting tutorials on CapCut. Hopefully you like this video. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.